Welcome to our tutorial on the Splunk Convert Command. The Convert Command is a powerful tool for transforming field formats in your search results. Today we'll explore how to change data types including converting time to human-readable formats, numbers to hexadecimal, and performing case conversions on text fields. The Convert Command serves a specific purpose in Splunk. It transforms field values from one data type to another format. This command is commonly used for time formatting, number-based conversion, and text case changes. Understanding these transformations is essential for presenting data in the most readable and useful format for your analysis. The basic structure of the convert command follows a simple pattern. You start with the pipe symbol, followed by the word convert, then specify the function you want to use on your field, and optionally use the AS keyword to assign the result to a new field name. This syntax allows you to apply various conversion functions to your data fields. For time conversions, Splunk provides two main functions. The ctime function converts epoch timestamps into human-readable date and time format. The strftime function allows you to specify custom date formatting using format codes like %y-%m-%d for year-month-day format. These functions make timestamp data much more interpretable. The convert command also handles number-based conversions efficiently. The number function converts decimal numbers to hexadecimal format, which is useful for network analysis and debugging. The auto function provides automatic format detection and conversion, intelligently determining the best format for mixed data types in your fields. Text case conversions are straightforward with the convert command. The upper function transforms all text in a field to uppercase letters, while the lower function converts text to lowercase. These functions are particularly useful for standardizing text data and ensuring consistent formatting across your search results. You can combine multiple conversion functions in a single convert command. This example shows converting time using ctime, transforming host names to uppercase, and converting byte values to hexadecimal format all in one command. This efficiency makes the convert command very powerful for comprehensive data transformation. Remember these key points about the convert command. First, it offers format flexibility by supporting multiple data types in one command. Second, the most common functions include time conversions, number-based conversions, and text case transformations. These capabilities make convert an essential tool for data formatting in Splunk. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.